In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section over here. Then click on Permission Manager. Click on one of your device's options and select an app. Now you can either click on an app, pick one of those options to apply a perfect one for previously chosen feature, in my case camera, and go back, or select an app and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!